Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency, where we make learning Japanese fun and easy. I'm Reg, and in today's lesson, we're diving into JLPT in 5 Grammar Explanation Lesson 2. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to brush up on your grammar skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll be exploring some essential grammar points that will help you in your journey to mastering Japanese. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Hajimemashou. Ichiban. Kore, sore, are. Kore, sore, and are are demonstratives. They work as nouns. Kore refers to a thing near the speaker. Sore refers to a thing near the listener. Are refers to a thing far from the speaker and the listener. For examples, Sore wa jesho desu ka? Is that a dictionary? Kore o kodasai. I'll take this, or please give this to me. 2番 kono, sono, ano. Kono, sono, and ano modify nouns. Kono noun refers to a thing or a person near the speaker. Sono noun refers to a thing or a person near the listener. Ano noun refers to a thing or a person far from both the speaker and the listener. For examples, Kono hon wa watashi no desu. This book is mine. Ano kata wa donata desu ka? Who is that person? Sangbang. In the case of a noun sentence, the word so is often used to answer a question requiring an affirmative or negative answer. Hai, so desu is the affirmative answer, and iie, so ja arimasen is the negative answer. For example, sore wa terehon kado desu ka? Is that a telephone card? Hai, so desu. Yes, it is. Sore wa terehon kado desu ka? Is that a telephone card? Iie, so ja arimasen. No, it is not. The verb chigaimasu can be used to mean so ja arimasen. Sore wa terehon kado desu ka? Is that a telephone card? Iie, chigaimasu. No, it isn't. 4番. This is a question asking the listener to choose between alternatives. Sentence 1 and sentence 2 for the answer. As an answer to this type of question, the chosen sentence is stated. Neither hai nor iie is used. For example, kore wa kyou desu ka? Nana desu ka? Is this a 9 or a 7? Kyou desu. It's a 9. Gobang. Noun 1, no. Noun 2. You learned in lesson 1 that no is used to connect two nouns when noun 1 modifies noun 2. In lesson 2, you learned 2 other uses of this no. Noun 1 explains what noun 2 is about. For example, kore wa kompyuta no hon desu. This is a book on computers. Noun 1 explains who owns noun 2. For example, kore wa watashi no hon desu. This is my book. Noun 2 is sometimes omitted when it is obvious. When noun 2 means a person, however, you cannot omit it. For example, are wa dare no kaban desu ka? Whose bag is that? Satusa no desu. It's Miss Sato's. Kono kaban wa anata no desu ka? Is this bag yours? Iie, watashi no ja arimasen. No, it's not mine. Mera san wa IMC no shain desu ka? Is Mr. Miller an employee of IMC? Hi, IMC no shain desu. Yes, he is. Rokubang. So desu ka? This expression is used when the speaker receives new information and shows that he or she understands it. For examples, Kono kasa wa anata no desu ka? Is this umbrella yours? Iie, chigaimasu. Chumito-san no desu. No, it's Mr. Smith's. So desu ka? I see. Thank you for watching, and that wraps up today's lesson on JLPT in 5 grammar. I hope you found this explanation helpful and that you feel more confident in your Japanese studies. Remember, practice makes perfect, so be sure to review these points and try using them in your conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Mata ne!